Hello everyone, welcome to E-Club. Holiday season is in. Imagine embarking on a magical journey where words become your travel companions. Today, we'll explore enchanting phrases that will unlock the doors to exciting adventures and make your language voyage a delightful experience. So, buckle up, young explorers, as we set sail into the world of travel expressions. The wish to travel is characteristically human. The desire to move, to satisfy your curiosity or ease your fears, to change the circumstances of life, to be a stranger, to make a friend, to experience an exotic landscape, to risk the unknown. This episode about travel idioms and expressions you will come across often and should be aware of. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this session, so keep watching. But first, please subscribe to E-Club channel on YouTube if you haven't, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's begin. The first expression, hit the road. It means to begin a journey or start traveling. An example of this expression would be, I was relieved to get the car back and hit the road. Travel light means to pack only essential items and avoid carrying excessive baggage. I don't like lugging around a big suitcase, so I always travel light. Catch some rays means to sunbathe or enjoy the sunshine. A sentence using the idiom would be, the resort has a nice terrace where you can catch some rays as you sip a cooling drink. Having a whale of a time. It means to have a great or enjoyable experience. Here's an example. I sure had a whale of a time on our trip to Maldives. Take a rain check. It's not the usual rain. Here, take a rain check means to postpone or reschedule a planned activity or an event. An example of its usage is, since you can't join us for dinner, we'll give you a rain check. Breathtaking view. It means an extremely beautiful or stunning sight. For example, the view of the mountains was breathtaking. Jet lag. This is a very common expression. Jet lag refers to the fatigue or disorientation experienced after traveling across different time zones. Let's use it in a sentence. I had a bad jet lag after that last trip overseas. Live out of a suitcase. It means to constantly travel or move around, often with limited possessions. An example of its usage in a sentence is, he is not inclined to pursue anything this year because he doesn't want to live out of a suitcase. Instead, preferring to spend time with his family. Tourist trap. Tourist trap is a place that is visited by many tourists and is therefore crowded and expensive. Off the beaten track. It is a place far away from the places that people usually visit. Let's use it in a sentence. I always avoid tourist traps and go somewhere off the beaten track. Bucket list. Now, bucket list is a list of things you want to do or the places you want to visit before you die. Far off destination refers to a place that is a great distance away. Example, Sri Lanka has always been on my travel bucket list. Now, I am saving money to go to this far off and exotic destination. Go sightseeing means To travel around a place to see the interesting things in it. Guided tour. Guided tour is a tour in which tourist guide shows you around and tells you about what you are seeing. Example, I like to go sightseeing and always sign up for guided tours. Hordes of tourists means large number of tourists. Out of season is that time of the year when most people don't go to a place. For example, I don't like places with hordes of tourists, so I always go on a holiday out of season. Be on a tight budget means to have little extra money. Staycation. It means a vacation where you can stay at home and enjoy local sights. Example, I am on a tight budget, so I will take a staycation this summer. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed the session and it added to your travel vocabulary. Please use these phrases in your conversations. Stay tuned for the next session in the series.